Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take you through a beautiful collection of indoor plants that not only make your home look fresh and vibrant but also bring positivity and cleaner air. In this video I will be sharing the details of each plant including their names, care tips, maintenance and the best place to keep them indoors. So, if you are a plant lover or someone looking to decorate your home with greenery, stay tuned till the end because this video is full of useful information and amazing plant varieties. Friends, this beautiful plant you are seeing is called Ficus Triangularis Variegata. It's a very attractive indoor ornamental plant known for its unique triangular shaped leaves with green and creamy white variegation. The maintenance of this plant is quite simple. It grows well in bright indirect light, needs moderate watering, and prefers well-draining soil. Overwatering should be avoided to protect these roots. The price of this plant usually ranges from medium to slightly high depending on the size, but it is worth it for its stunning look. It is easily available in most nurseries as well as online. You can keep it in your living room, balcony, office desk, or even near a window where it can get filtered sunlight. Along with adding greenery, this plant also purifies indoor air and creates a calming environment. So, if you are looking for a low maintenance yet eye catching plant, this plant is a perfect choice for your home. This lovely plant is called Begonia, a very popular indoor and outdoor flowering plant known for its bright pink blossoms and glossy green leaves. The maintenance of this plant is quite easy. It prefers partial sunlight or bright indirect light, and regular watering is needed, but make sure the soil is well drained to avoid root rot. Occasional fertilizing during the growing season helps it bloom more beautifully. The price of begonia is quite affordable and depends on the size of the plant, usually ranging from low to medium. It is easily available in almost every nursery and also online. You can keep this plant in your balcony, window side, living room, or even in shaded garden corners, where it will add a colorful and cheerful touch. Along with its decorative value, begonia is also known for purifying indoor air, making it a wonderful choice for plant lovers who want beauty and freshness together. Not only in pink, begonias also come in a stunning white flowering variety, which looks equally elegant and eye-catching. The white begonia brings a soft calming vibe and blends beautifully with any home or garden decor. Plant lovers often keep both pink and white begonias together to create a striking contrast of colors. With minimal care, these plants continue to bloom throughout the season and make your surroundings lively and refreshing. That's why begonias are considered one of the most versatile and loved flowering plants for both beginners and experienced gardeners. This plant is known as elephant bush or mini jade plant. It is a popular succulent with small, round, glossy green leaves and reddish stems, often used as a decorative houseplant. Maintenance of this plant is very easy. It loves bright indirect sunlight but can also tolerate some direct sun, needs very little water, and thrives in sandy, well draining soil. Overwatering should be avoided since it is a succulent. The price of this plant is usually quite affordable depending on the size of the pot. It is widely available in most nurseries as well as online stores. You can keep it indoors near a sunny window in balconies or even as part of a rock garden. Apart from its beauty, this plant is also considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity, making it a great choice for home and office decoration. It can also be pruned into beautiful bonsai shapes, which makes it even more attractive for plants lover. Now this beautiful plant is called a fern, one of the most popular indoor and outdoor foliage plant, loved for its lush green feathery leaves. Ferns are known to bring a refreshing and tropical vibe to any space. Maintenance is quite simple. They thrive in indirect light or semi-shade, requires consistently moist soil and enjoy a humid environment. Regular misting or keeping a water tray nearby helps the plant stay healthy. The price of fern is usually very affordable depending on the size of the pot, making them easy to add to any collection. They are commonly available in almost all plant nurseries and online. You can keep fern in living rooms, balconies, shaded gardens, or even bathrooms where humidity levels are high. Apart from decoration, fern are excellent air purifying plants, removing toxins and improving air quality indoors. If you are looking for a natural way to create a fresh and cool atmosphere in your home, ferns are a perfect choice. Now, this attractive plant is called the asparagus fern, also known as foxtail fern, because of its unique feathery needle like leaves that grow in bushy clusters. It's a popular ornamental plant that instantly adds a fresh, elegant look to any space. Maintenance of this plant is quite simple. It thrives in bright indirect light but can also tolerate partial shade. Watering should be moderate, keeping the soil slightly moist but never soggy. It grows well in well-draining rich soil and occasional fertilizing during the growing season will keep it lush and green. The price of asparagus fern is usually affordable and varies depending on the pot size. It is easily available in local nurseries and online plant shops. You can keep it in your balcony, living room, shaded garden corners, or even hang it in decorative baskets. Apart from beauty, this plant also acts as a natural air purifier, improving air quality indoors. With its soft, vibrant green foliage, the asparagus fern is perfect for those who want a low maintenance yet eye catching addition to their home garden. This unique and eye-catching plant is called Dusty Miller. It is easily recognized by its silver grey, velvety leaves that give a soft and ornamental look. Maintenance of this plant is very simple. It loves full sunlight but can also grow in partial shade, needs moderate watering and prefers well-draining soil. Overwatering should be avoided as it may damage the roots. The price of Dusty Miller is usually affordable and varies depending on the pot size. It is commonly available in plant nurseries and is also easy to order online. You can keep it in your garden, balcony, or even as a border plant in decorative pots. Apart from its stunning foliage, Dusty Miller is also drought tolerant, making it a perfect choice for bushy plant lovers. Its silver color creates a beautiful contrast when placed alongside flowering plants, making it an excellent option for home and garden decoration. This beautiful ornamental plant is called Aralia Variegated. It is loved for its attractive green leaves with creamy white edges, which makes it stand out as a decorative indoor and outdoor plant. Maintenance of Aralia Variegated is very easy. It prefers bright indirect sunlight, requires moderate watering, and grows well in nutrient rich, well draining soil. Overwatering should be avoided to protect the roots. The price of this plant is generally reasonable and depending on the pot size, making it affordable for most plant lovers. It is widely available in plant nurseries and can also be purchased online. You can keep it indoors in living rooms, offices, or balconies, and it also grows beautifully in gardens as a border plant. Apart from its ornamental value, Aralia Variegated also acts as a natural air purifier, adding freshness to your home environment with proper care. In this plant stays healthy for years and adds an elegant touch to any corner of your house. This attractive plant is also known as the spider plant variegated. It is famous for its long arcing leaves with green and yellow stripes that make it one of the most stylish indoor plants. Maintenance is very simple. It grows well in bright indirect light, needs moderate watering, and prefers well draining soil. It is also a hardy plant that can tolerate a bit of neglect, making it perfect for beginners. The price of the spider plant is quite affordable and it is easily available in most nurseries as well as online stores. You can keep it indoors in living rooms, offices, kitchen, or balconies, and it also looks beautiful in hanging baskets where its leaves can fall gracefully. Apart from its ornamental appeal, spider plant is also a powerful air purifying plant, helping to remove toxins from the air and creating a healthier environment inside your home. With minimum care, this plant will grow quickly and even produce baby plants that you can replant to grow new ones. This stunning plant is called Syngonium Pink or sometimes known as arrowweed vine. It is admired for its soft pink heart-shaped leaves that bring a touch of elegance and charm to any indoor space. Maintenance of this plant is very easy. It grows best in bright indirect light, requires moderate watering, and thrives in well draining moist soil. Overwatering should be avoided as it can damage the roots. The price of Syngonium Pink is quite affordable and depending on the size of the plant, making it a great choice for home decoration. It is easily available in plant nurseries and online stores. You can keep it indoors in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or balconies, and it also grows beautifully in decorative pots as a hanging plant. Apart from being an ornamental beauty, this plant also helps in purifying indoor air and maintain a fresh environment. With proper care, Syngonium Pink grows fast and produces more vibrant leaves, making it one of the most popular indoor plants among plant lovers. This beautiful plant in my hand is called the spider plant. It is one of the most popular and easy to care house plants, perfect for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Maintenance is very simple. It needs moderate watering, keeping the soil slightly moist but not soggy, and it thrives best in bright indirect sunlight. Price is quite affordable, usually ranging from 80 to 200 depending on the size and pot. It is easily available in almost every nursery and online plant store throughout the year. You can keep it indoors near a window, in balconies, offices, or even as a hanging plant where its long, arched leaves look very attractive. The spider plant is also well known as a natural air purifier, helping in remove toxins from the air and improve indoor air quality. It is a non-toxic plant safe for children and pets, which makes it even more special for home gardening. Regularly trimming the dry leaves and giving it a little liquid fertilizer once a month will keep it lush and healthy. Overall, the spider plant is a low maintenance, budget friendly, and eco friendly addition to any home. This plant is commonly known as Patharchur, also called the miracle leaf plant. It is a very hardy and fast growing plant, famous for its unique ability to produce new baby plants from the edge of its leaves. Maintenance is very easy. It requires very little water and grows well in normal garden soil with good drainage. Overwatering should be avoided as it can cause the roots to rot. Price is quite low, generally ranging between 50 to 150 depending on the size and pot. It is easily available in local nurseries as well as online stores throughout the year. You can keep it outdoors in full sunlight or partial shade, and it also grows well in pots on terrace, balconies, or gardens. Apart from being an ornamental plant, this plant is also valued for its medicinal properties. In traditional medicine, especially for kidney stone, cough, and minor wounds, with minimal care, this plant can thrive for years and multiply naturally, making it a budget friendly and beneficial addition to your home garden. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I tried to share with you all the beautiful plants along with their detailed and care tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more plant related content. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you all again in the next video with more greenery and garden ideas.